What is up, Food2 fam? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be trying something I haven't tried before. So I got the classic chicken sandwich, Jollibee's, and the mango peach pie. I've had this a number of times, so this is going to be my lunch. The classic Jollibee chicken sandwich. Haven't had this before. Excited to try it. Alright. Oh, and one more thing. I happen to have a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, so I'm gonna eat these two side by side just to make a little comparison. So make room for the Chick-fil-A. Alright, so let's take a look at the Chick-fil-A sandwich. You got the chicken breast right there, pickles, and that's all there is to it, and the bun. And let's look at the Jollibee chicken sandwich. Oh, that chicken sandwich looks pretty good. Look at that crunchiness. There's that, I think that's a garlic aioli sauce, toasted bun, nice sized chicken breast, a little bit more garlic sauce underneath. Wow, look at the thickness of that chicken breast. Alright guys, so without further ado, I want to try the Jollibee's chicken sandwich first. Haven't tried it yet, so this gets the first bite. Alright, here we go. You can definitely taste the garlic. Got that crunch. Okay, I'm gonna try the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. And we've had this before, so here it goes. Alright guys, so I added a little veganese to both sandwiches. I love mayonnaise, but in this case it's a veganese. Tastes exactly like mayonnaise, but a little healthier. So, alright, let's give it another bite. And back to the Jollibee. I like that it has the little crunch in here. That's a thick piece of chicken too. I want to add some of this sauce to it now. Chick-fil-A. Get some of the Polynesian on the Jollibee. This made it taste better. All right. All right, guys, so I am gonna leave it right there. With the Jollibee, I ate probably about half. Same with the Chick-fil-A, so that's equivalent to one sandwich. So I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm trying to stuff myself. So for now, here's what I thought about the Jollibee. I love the Jollibee size. The chicken had a nice crunchy batter around it. The breast was nice and thick. It wasn't puny, and the chicken breast was a nice size. The bun didn't totally cover the chicken. The chicken was big enough to stick out of the bun. The garlic sauce in there was alright. I mean, definitely tastes garlic. But when I'm biting into this chicken, although you get a nice big mouthful bite chunk of this sandwich, sort of had a greasy taste to it. I don't know if it was the garlic, the bitterness of the garlic. Although I did like the size, the look, the crunch. Oh man, I didn't really get a specific taste when it came to the Jollibees other than the garlic sauce. So that's what I thought of the Jollibees. It wasn't bad, it wasn't terrible. But when you're comparing it against a sandwich that I really love, the classic chicken sandwich, Chick-fil-A has a nice seasoned chicken taste. So although the chicken breast wasn't as big and thick as the Jollibee, the taste was there. It didn't need any sauce to enhance its flavor. So with that being said, I'm gonna rate, I think I already rated this sandwich when I compared it against the Popeyes chicken sandwich not long ago. So I'm just gonna rate the Jollibee because this is my first time trying it and this was the main focus, the Jollibee chicken sandwich. So from a scale of 1 to 5 flames, what will I give it? Like I said before, I like the thickness, the crunch, the size of the sandwich, the bun. It looked nice and appetizing. It didn't look dry. I mean, the bun, in fact, looks better than the Chick-fil-A bun. And even the sandwich itself looked better than the Chick-fil-A sandwich. I mean, look at the chicken fillet size and thickness comparison. Jollibee, Chick-fil-A. And this definitely looks more appetizing. But the taste of the chicken, the seasoning, man, tastes pretty good. Don't need any sauces to enhance it, like I said earlier. This, all I could taste was the garlic mayo. So, and that garlic mayo was, wasn't a lot, but yet it was still kind of a little bitter the way garlic tastes. So I kind of enjoyed the taste of the seasoning as opposed to the garlic mayo of the Jollibees. So other than that, I thought it was a pretty good sandwich. So from a scale of 1 to 5 flames, I'm going to give the Jollibee classic chicken sandwich a 3.5. 3.5 for the Jollibee classic chicken sandwich. Yep. All right, guys. So that's the rating. Next, dessert. Alright guys, so it's time to try a mango peach pie. Alright, here it goes. It's better when it's warm. It's kind of cooling off already, but it's still got the crunch. Jollibee is known for their mango peach pies. They're fried too, the way McDee's used to do it. I think the fried pies are the best. They have that crunch. That's good. Good pie. Wow. Alright guys, again, leave a half for my wife. I'm sure she would like to eat some of this. She likes this pie. So it's time for a rating. Right, the peach mango pie from Jollibee. What am I going to give this on a scale of 1 to 5 flames? Love the crunch, love the crisp, love the flavor, love the mango peach combo in there. Fried, of course, as opposed to baked. Nothing else to say, but I'm going to give this on a scale of 1 to 5 flames, a 4.7. 4.7 flames out of 5 for the peach mango pie Jollibee's. Alright guys, that does it for my first try of the Jollibee's classic chicken sandwich, and of course trying out the peach mango pie again. Enjoy this pie. So alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, my little review, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace.